effective this Friday, September 4th at 5 o'clock p.m., all Maryland businesses will be able to open.
And big news from Annapolis. Governor Larry Hogan says Maryland is officially reopened for business.
Officials say based on the positivity rate and hospital numbers, Maryland will enter stage 3 of the roadmap to recovery on Friday.
Starting at 5 p.m., movie theaters and live entertainment venues can open at 50% capacity with a cap of 100 people for indoor venues. Outdoor venues will have a 250-person cap. Indoor stores and churches can open up further to 75% capacity.
But leaders in Baltimore have not yet said if Baltimore City or Baltimore County will follow suit with the governor's announcement.
This is what everybody's wondering. Alexa Ashwell questioned those leaders and joins us live right now with reaction from business owners on today's big announcement. Alexa?
Oh yes, Kai Mary. Here in Baltimore City, the mayor has not yet given his blessing for stores like this one here in Fells Point to expand its capacity, but some owners worry even that may not be enough. For the past 5 months, it's been anything but business as usual.
It's going to take us collectively.
It's time to get back to work.
For many shops here in Baltimore, and even with the governor's green light, owners worry there's an even bigger problem on their hands.
50%, 75%, doesn't really matter if consumers have now fallen into new behaviors.
New behaviors like shopping online or at big box stores more, and strolling into Claudia Toll's brick and mortar Amuse Toys less.
That's unfortunately what we're finding. People have gone online. They're not necessarily frequenting stores, and it's frustrating. I would like to see addressed how we're going to be supporting small businesses, retailers.
That's her call to the city's mayor as his team decides whether to follow suit with the governor's Phase 3 by Friday.
We've been about Baltimore and in Baltimore and in Fells Point for almost 20 years. Next year would be our 20th anniversary. We want to stick around, but we need some support in the leadership, whether that's education, grants, I don't know, new technology. I don't have the answers, but I'd like to talk to someone who may be able to affect some change.
And that's the plan. That's the question we plan to ask the mayor tomorrow, as he's expected to say what this all means for the city. His press secretary writing, quote, "The mayor wants to be thoughtful about moving into the next phase and is focusing on harm reduction with the holiday weekend ahead." Reporting live in Fells Point, Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
Alexa, thank you. We are checking in on other areas. The office of the Baltimore County Executive says, quote, "We're currently evaluating the latest surprise announcements made by the governor and will identify our next steps after consulting with our public health and economic development teams."
Howard County and Harford County both have announced they will be following the state's plan. We're still waiting on Anne Arundel, Carroll, and Cecil counties. We've reached out. We'll continue to update you as soon as their decisions come into us.